Got a CH file from a high-performance computing project? This is source code in Chapel, a language designed for supercomputer scale parallel programming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you compile and run these Chapel programs. If you frequently deal with unusual CH file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. CH files are source code files written in Chapel, a parallel programming language developed by Cray for productive large-scale parallel computing. Chapel simplifies writing programs that run efficiently on multicore desktops, clusters and supercomputers with built-in support for data parallelism, task parallelism, and distributed memory programming. Chapel CH files use plain UTF-8 text encoding with Chapel's clean syntax, featuring domain-based data distribution, forall parallel loops, cobegin task parallelism, and locale-aware programming constructs. The language provides high-level abstractions for parallel computing that compile to efficient native code across diverse parallel architectures. To gain full access to CH, the application needed is Chapel Compiler CHPL from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, originally Cray Inc. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows identifies the script as text, but its functionality depends on a matching runtime. The solution lies in finding the correct software match. Go to your CH file, right-click, and select Open With. Use Chapel Compiler, CHPL first if it is installed. If not, start testing other options until one successfully reads the file. If the CH file is still giving you trouble, relax. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common CH failure areas. First, compiling Chapel programs. Install Chapel from chapellang.org following the platform-specific build instructions. Compile CH files using the command chpl file name.ch output name. The Chapel compiler generates a native executable. Run the compiled program with output name, optionally specifying the number of locales for distributed execution with NL flag. Next, editing Chapel code. Open CH files in Visual Studio Code with the Chapel extension for syntax highlighting and basic language support. The code features readable parallel programming constructs including distributed domains, forall loops, and reduce operations that express parallel algorithms more concisely than MPI or OpenMP equivalents. Finally, running parallel programs. Execute compiled Chapel programs with specified parallelism using environment variables. Set chpl rt num threads per locale to control threads per node. For multi-node execution, use the appropriate launcher configured during Chapel installation. Chapel's runtime system manages task distribution and communication across the specified computing resources automatically. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.